What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Samsung is expected to launch a bunch of brand new devices such as foldable, Samsung Flip, as well as the Galaxy Watch series in the month of July. However, not many of you guys on the channel would be excited for these products. What's more exciting is the One UI 6.0 beta program, which is coming in sooner than expected. As per Sam Mobile, the One UI 6.0 beta program may start in the third week of July itself. That is a great news to hear. Many of you guys on the channel are excited for the brand new features which usually we get in every iteration of One UI, and it's always amazing to see how Samsung incorporates the brand new Android iteration with its own new features. And this time we can expect something similar. Already the Android 14 beta program is running on the Pixel phones and few other devices. We are on beta 3, and this beta 3 seems to be pretty stable as of now. Probably in a couple of weeks we may get the stable version of Android 14, after which Samsung may start testing the One UI 6.0 beta program on its latest devices. The first device to get the beta program would be the Galaxy S23 series. The S23 regular, the S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra would be getting the beta program in a few countries. And subsequently it will be rolled out to many other countries as well. And this is expected to come in the third week of July itself. The Unpacked event is expected to happen on 27th of July. And somewhere around this time, we should be getting this beta program. And most of us with the latest Samsung Galaxy devices will be able to enroll ourselves to the beta program and test the brand new features which are coming on Android 14 on the Galaxy phones. I have already made a bunch of videos on the Android 14 on the Pixel devices. If you missed those videos, you can go ahead and check out the channel. We can expect some of these features from the Pixel phones to land on the Galaxy phones. And Samsung usually adds some amazing features on every new iteration of Android. So let's wait and see how it's going to be on the Samsung Galaxy phones. I will soon post a video about the upcoming features on the One UI 6.0, so stay tuned for that video. And as soon as we get the beta version on the Galaxy phones, I will keep you guys posted and I'll make a video and let you know how good is the all new beta, and I'll let you know all the new features that we are going to get. You will get brief videos as well as detailed videos on each and every feature which will land on the Galaxy S23 series in the next few weeks. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to know the eligible Samsung Galaxy devices for the Android 14, here is the list. You can just pause the video and go through these lists. Now coming back to the update, you guys let me know what are the features that you would like to see on One UI 6.0. I'm sure many features from the Good Lock modules will be incorporated on One UI 6. That is something we can expect. But you guys let me know which features should be borrowed from the Good Lock modules on One UI, and also let me know which other features do you want on One UI 6.0. Apart from the features, of course, we would like to see better battery optimization options, better battery performance, stability on the device, better and smoother animations as well. Along with these, some productivity features would be amazing. And yeah, I also feel that modes and routines also require some improvements. They should make it more intuitive and add additional options for if and then conditions. The notification panel as well as the font on the notification contents should be modified, or we should get some options to increase the font or reduce the fonts. Basically, we should be able to customize the notification display font as well. I'm sure you would like to see many more enhancements and features on One UI 6.0. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and while you do that, be sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find it informational. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.